So welcome back for part 2. I'm glad you could join us. The night prior is about 45 or 50, but it's not too bad. It's actually pretty easy to stay pretty warm. Um, Sunrise, as you can see, it was very, very pretty. So we're going to start this journey by heading out a long run road from camp, heading towards Reddish Knob, which is a pretty decent trek from Long Run Road, but it's well worth it. It's a very nice scenic drive along a mountaintop. O&X rates, I think, Reddish Knob maybe a 1 or 2, but I would say it's more so a 1. It's, like I said, it's more so a scenic drive. There's a lot of camping in that area, so if you're looking for a good place to camp, there's one particular place on Reddish Knob that looks really excellent, and that's the place to be if you're looking for camp. I would say, and then of course Flagpole Knob is where we head to next. Flagpole Knob at the very beginning is rated as I think a 2, but if it heads to a 3, again, if you're on stock suspension, stock hot, heading towards Harrisonburg. On this journey, I was heading downhill, which some would say is more technical than heading up. It just depends if you have 4-wheel drive, what your vehicle setup is. But let's get this journey started. So I was going to show you all the actual inverter setup in this video, since I did install it. So I'm charging my battery here, and I use the charge camera gear and just various different things. So it's hooked up there. It's hooked up to the inverter, as you can see, and we're getting charge right here. Of course, this one actually requires around 58 to 60 watts. That's what it charges whenever you're actually have it into an electrical outlet. So it's charging what it should, and it's charging up, and it's in the back of the truck, which is awesome. So I can just drive around and charge this while we're driving. So this is Reddish Knob. I won't include a tremendous amount of clips from this drive because it's very scenic. It's beautiful. If you get the chance, I highly recommend to drive it, especially if you're on your way to Flagpole Knob. If you're on your way back, don't skip this drive because, again, it's a very gorgeous drive. I will add on Reddish Knob, there's plenty of dispersed camping areas. Be prepared though, if you're not on a high clearance 4x4, there's a lot of rutted out areas. So just take it easy, take it slow. But again, keep in mind, it's a gorgeous area, just take it easy. There's so many great opportunities to take in some beautiful views on this drive. Here's one on the peak or on the ridgeline of Reddish Knob. So after the gorgeous views of Reddish Knob, let's get to the more technical trail.
Are you gonna come up on this? Okay.
As you may see, this is quite the bumpy trail, so be prepared.
easy.
At the very end there, my batteries had died as I got close to Harrisonburg, so I went ahead and closed off the cameras. But I did want to include some clips of the trip back to camp that night. I was able to get them charged back up enough to show you some night footage of the hot glow LED lights that I recently put on in one of the videos prior. So I just wanted to show you some examples of those clips, and here they are. I hope you all have enjoyed part 2 of the series of going to Long Run Road and also to Flagpole Knob. In the comment section, tell me a little bit about where your favorite camping trip was or where your favorite trail is. I'd like to hear about it. I hope to make many more of these videos to come. The winter months are upon us. There'll be a lot more beautiful landscapes out there to adventure. Until next time.